Here we come to some more extra elevators at the Museum of Fine Arts in the new wing in Houston, Texas. I think these are ThyssenKrupp elevators, just like the one in the main side. I didn't even know this existed. Open on both sides. All right, let's go back down to where we started. Get the other elevator car. The light is already dead on this one, but that one isn't. Anyways, I'm not sure why the floor indicator segment light is like literally flashing over my phone screen. That other elevator should be working. The other elevator does not work. I just literally heard it moving. I literally just heard it moving. I don't know why it didn't respond to this call. Go to both these floors. This one's got a fan. You can't hear the motor well in this elevator. The indicator didn't flash on this, but I don't know why the floor indicator on the other elevator flashed over my camera screen. Or in the camera screen, I meant. All right, let's go back down to lower level. Just similar to the other elevator. Like I said, I didn't even know this existed. This one's a lot faster than the other one. Look how efficient it levels. Levels a lot more quicker than the other one. I will say that. All right, we'll watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.